Hello friends, I want to talk to you about something I found at the Dollar Tree. Now, I like this little thing, and last night on my live, somebody mentioned that I should use the squeegee side and I shouldn't have too many problems. Well, I've got one. This has got a squeegee on it, but look at this little tool. This is actually, I found in the housewares area, and it's supposed to be for your shower door and stuff, and I'm thinking, maybe it'll do good on these windshields. So we're going to try it today and see how it does. And then I'll use it for a little while and see if it did any good. Now, I have already used it for a little bit. Now, let me show you what I typically do. What I typically do is I put my towel on there like this, okay? And I spray some cleaner on it. And then I go to work, get to work. And then I usually just take a towel and dry it off. Or buff it off, I should say. And it looks really good. And it doesn't have any streaks. I like that. But this also gives me an opportunity to reach. But you know that the hard to reach area isn't here on the passenger side. You know this, right? It's over there. Over there. So, let's go. Alrighty, so we're on the driver's side. Now, this thing is always in the way. And these dashes seem to be built up over here, so reaching all of this is very difficult. But I'm finding using this little tool, you know, a reacher tool, is much easier. Now, let's put my buff off towel on here, just for the sake of argument. Perfect. I am able to get a lot done with just this little tool, and it's just a little thing from the dollar store. And you know what? If you don't have the money to buy those tools that are designated for detailing, this might come in handy. So now, let's give the squeegee part a chance. Well, it's not really flat. Maybe if we go this way. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that worked out much better. Now, I think it did pretty good. Let's try the other one. Okay, so since this has a pad on it, I'm going to go ahead and spray the pad. It usually gets wet, but I don't use it. I usually have the towel over it, but let's go ahead and use it. I have more. What do you think? I think it did good. Yeah, it did good. I like this little thing. I'll tell you, I've enjoyed using it. And it's got Velcro, and the pads Velcro to it, okay? And like I said, if you buy it, you can also buy more pads. This was at the Dollar Tree for $1.25. It came with the pad, okay? It does have a squeegee. It does move. Now, it doesn't turn side to side, but it can go one way or another, all right? And in my opinion, if you are one of those who does not have a lot of money, this might be able to help you in a pinch until you get enough money that you can afford to buy those reacher tools, and you're gonna like it. I like this. I really do. I think this has made a big difference for me in my window cleaning because, especially in the front, because it allows me to reach down. But what do you think it does on the back windshield? Let's check that out. And I'm just gonna use the pad. Got my buffer towel and my window cleaner, which is alcohol and water 50-50. Okay, you can see the window there. Let's spray some cleaner on the pad. There's part of it. Now, I'm not going to be able to reach it all in some of these cars. In this one, I can. But those cars that I can't reach it, I can put my buffing towel on it, just double it up so the moisture doesn't come through. And there you go. It's made my reaching a lot easier. And that's that. That's the little reacher tool to actually clean the shower. In fact, it says it right here. Let me put some eyeballs on. 2-in-1 bathroom mop head. That's what it's for. It's for the bathroom. You can either use it on your mirrors or your shower doors. And again, when you pick it up at the Dollar Tree, you're going to get pads to go with it. You can buy more pads. Okay? So I picked up an extra package plus the pad that went on the little tool itself. And this pad, I've only used it twice, but I've used the towel on top of it many times. So it works really good. The squeegee works, but I just don't think I'm going to get the result if I go and try to use that on the windshields. I just feel like there's too much of a pitch. I wouldn't be able to maneuver it properly. I already have hard time doing that. And when you have T-Rex arms, you need all the help you can get. So just putting towels on it seems to work out. Now, what I'll do is I will take this home, rinse it out in the sink, let it dry, and it will come back. And that's it. And like I said, it's got Velcro. So, you know, there you go. Thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. I just wanted to introduce you to my little reacher tool. It's inexpensive, and for those of us who don't like spending a lot of money, this is the perfect little tool to get some of the little jobs done that are a little bit tougher, like the windshield. So, thanks for hanging out, guys. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.